Hello and welcome back to our Intro to After Effects class. In this class, I'm just going to show you how to export or render out your footage. First of all, we have our footage right here, our animation that I've kind of set up from our prior classes. I'm going to hit spacebar and pause it. Well, I don't have to do that, just hit timeline. I'm going to go up to composition and I'm going to go to add to render queue. There it is. All right, now once it's in the render queue, I have a bunch of options here. To start off with, you can open up these arrows and you can see all the properties. I'll tell you about that function. You can also open up these arrows and they will have presets. All right. In fact, presets for your export. To get into the actual proper settings, it's best to click on these words. So best settings, I can change that to best and other options, wire graph, whatever. For resolution, I have set to full. And then work area only, or I can set it to length of comp. You can change your frame rate right there. Hit OK. My file format export, I have it at H.264. You can change it to image sequence by clicking on here and going to image sequence, JPEG or PNG. You can add alpha to PNG by hitting RGB and changing RGB to RGB plus alpha, and change it millions plus to trillions plus. I'm going to go back to just RGB, and we're just going to actually H.264. Let's just do that. All right. I'm going to hit OK. Oh, also, by the way, you can add audio. If there's audio, crop it, resize, that kind of stuff. Hit OK. There we go. And then we're going to comp 1, and I'm just going to export it. Yeah, let's do that. Here we'll go to Stop Motion Universities. We'll just do it at the main thing. So we'll set it as comp 1 and export. There we go. Save, and I'm going to hit render, and it will ramp it up and render out the footage. And then it will ping you and let you know when it's done. So as you see, it's going frame by frame to export at the full resolution. All right, now that it's exported, we can check that by going to our folder where it lives at. Okay, now that we have our footage, I'm just double click on the footage, play it back. And there you go. Our footage has now been exported. You can do all sorts of stuff like exporting image sequences or whatever else, but now that the footage is exported, you can put it in your editing software, edit the footage and combine it with other pieces of footage to make whole timelines, or you can just export whatever you want and put it into YouTube or Vimeo or whatever. All right. I hope that was educational for you. I look forward to seeing you guys in future kind of classes that we offer here at Stop Motion University. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon.